Now, it seems India's major airports have severed ties with the Turkish aviation firm Çelebi after the government revoked its security clearance, citing national security concerns. Now, this comes as the Turkey faces mounting backlash in India over its support for Pakistan, and this company's operations at airports in Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Ahmedabad, where it had long managed ground handling services, have been terminated. These are 4 of the 9 major airports where this company holds significant presence. In response, the company has issued a statement saying they are not a Turkish organization and have no political affiliations or links to any foreign government or individuals. Now, Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Ahmedabad airports have terminated their contracts with this Turkish aviation company, and this comes after the government revoked its security clearance. Here's a report.
Just a day after India Today television broke the story about Turkish control over 7 of India's 10 busiest airports, the government has given marching orders to Çelebi. The company, which handled some of the most sensitive functions at 9 major Indian airports. In an order issued on Thursday afternoon, the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, or BCAS, revoked the security clearance it had given to the Çelebi airport services in November 2022. The letter cites national security as the reason for the decision. The Turkish company provides some of the most critical services at Indian airports: passenger services, load control and flight operations to ramp services. Çelebi also handles general aviation services, cargo and postal services, warehouse and bridge operation, with access to the most sensitive areas of the airport. Importantly, its sphere of influence is spread across 9 major airports, including Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai and Hyderabad. The government's decision follows Turkey's brazen and unapologetic support for Pakistan and its terror activities. The recent conflict in the wake of the Pahalgam massacre saw Pakistan deploy Turkish-origin drones and other ammunition against India. According to some reports, it was the Turkish operating these drones. Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has even issued a statement on Thursday in full support to Pakistan.
The nefarious terror attack, or with the missile attack against Pakistan, we had a very clear stance. We expressed our support to the Pakistani public, and the tension which reached serious levels, and in order to decrease it, we made efforts.
The wave of anti-Turkey sentiment in India even saw political parties demanding the removal of Çelebi from airport operations in India. Social media posts in the past couple of days have been unforgivingly critical of how the company was allowed to continue operations in one of the most sensitive areas of the nation. From seeking an immediate removal of Çelebi from airports, to social media posts suggesting the company was partially owned by one of the daughters of the Turkish president, the company has been under attack since Operation Sindoor. Government sources have meanwhile told Business Today television that affected airports will need to make interim arrangements by coordinating with alternate ground handling agencies. Tenders will soon be issued at 9 airports where Çelebi currently operates to appoint new ground handlers. The spotlight is now on India's largest airline, IndiGo, which not only has a code-share partnership with Turkish Airlines and Turkey's Corendons airline, but also leases its aircraft from both for domestic and international operations. IndiGo also has daily Istanbul flights on these leased aircraft from Delhi and Mumbai. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.